Silent undu. Good morning, children. Good morning, everyone. So, children, how are you? I hope everyone is fine. So, children, so that is class 4, that is English subject. We have completed the lesson number 9. The little things I have told for you in the life. The little things, so how Roshan helped her mother in the kitchen, I have explained to you. So, small lesson, the kitchen appliances he has been got how to whatever it's need in the kitchen. So he had read. So he had taught by his mother. Okay, wala mother to he has been taught what the Roshan's mother explained, whatever it is needed, whatever it needed, it had should be have in the kitchen. Whatever it may be, he want to help. So the Roshan mother helped her in the Roshan has helped in her mother in many ways, as well as he too knows how what are the kitchen appliances are need in the kitchen. So here we have been completed the lesson. So next we are going to summative and formative assessment, children. So that I have to explain for you summative and formative assessment. So what is summative and formative assessment? That is bit number 1. So the A, B, C, D, E. So clears the smoke from the kitchen chimney. So here the appliance what we use chimney that use to remove the smoke. So here from the kitchen it is removing the smoke. The second one is cook food very fastly, micro oven. So second one is microwave, steamer, cook using very little oil, keep food fresh for long, refrigerator, that is fridge we will call, toaster. So this is a toaster, that is toaster, toast the bread. So once again I will explain you, clears the smoke from the kitchen, cooks very fast, quickly, cook using very little oil, keep food fresh for long, toast bread. So these are the answers: chimney, microwave, steamer, next refrigerator, next toaster. So turning to the page number, these are the page numbers 41 and 42 and 43. So these are the page numbers. So next we are moving to the answer the following questions. So that I will explain once for you questions. So you must write and then seeing in the textbook. So arrange the sentences in the sequence order to the lesson. So here he is asking to arrange the lesson. What he is asking to in a sequence order we have to arrange this. So Roshan watches her and asks her about the chimney. Mother passes in her daily chores. Chorus. Roshan runs excitedly to open the door. Mother puts the potato sandwich inside a sandwich toaster. Next, Roshan keeps the tap running. Mother washes a few potatoes. So the first one is Roshan keeps the tap running. Okay, this is the bit number 3. So this is bit number 3. We have to arrange this one. So first one is Roshan keeps the tap, that is the A bit, A1, running. So second one is, so in this order we have to write Roshan watches her and asks her about the chimney. This is the second one. The third one is C. Mother washes a few potatoes. The fourth one, that is D. Mother puts the potato sandwiches inside a sandwich toaster. So these are the A, B, C, D. So these are the A, B, C, D. So that is fifth one, that is A, B, C, D, E one. That is Roshan runs excitedly to open the door. That is sixth one, that is F1. Mother passes in her daily chorus. So these are the A, B, C, D, E, F. So he given one here, one there. So we have to arrange them in a order. So first one is A, B, C, D, E, F. So these are the bits 1, 2, 3 have been arranged. So now two kinds of sandwiches are being made by Roshan and his mother. So here what he is telling, two types of sandwiches they have been prepared. So what he is telling, again salt and pepper are sprinkled on the filling. So Roshan write the filling used each of them. So whatever they has been cooking, so we have to write there. So he given first vegetables, sandwich, butter. A1 lo what he given, vegetables, sandwich, bread. So we have to write butter in the dashes, tusi leaves, tomatoes and cucumber. So these are the first A1. Next, after that bread. The B1 again bread. Next mashed potatoes, cheese, again bread. So these are the first A1. What they have, two sandwiches they had prepared in the kitchen. First one is bread sandwiches, potatoes, tomatoes, cucumber. Another one mashed potatoes, so another sandwich. So here look at the words in that story, bit number 5. We are moving to the bit number 5. So this is bit number 4. So this is bit number 4. Next we are moving to the bit number 5. So here he is asking to write meanings, again words. So first we will write down meanings. What are meanings? Daily work. Daily work. The second one is stops for a while. The third one is immediately. The fourth one is gives an idea. The fifth one is eager to know. So this is para 1, this is para 1, this is para 1, this is para 2, para 3. So here he given the meanings. Daily work, stop for a while, immediately, gives an idea, eager to know. These are they have been taken from the story. So we have to write their meanings. Here he given from the story, taken the meanings. We have to write the words. So first one is chorus. The second one is passes. The third one is suggest, curious. So chorus, passes, promptly and suggest, curious. These are the meanings to the words. So now we have completed the bit number 5. Pick out the words from the story which means the same as these words. Here again he given the pick out the words. He is asking to pick up the words from the same. Again he is from the story he is telling to, it has to, here meanings and words we have taken. Here what is telling from the story we have which means same ga undali meanings. So first one is A, bit number 6, that is micro oven. So that is micro oven. Shows liquid or power appliance used to warm food. This is from the para 3. So B1 is shows liquid or power, sprinkles. This is from the para 4. C1, tear into a small pieces, into small pieces, that is slices, that is slices, it is slice from the para 3. Very eagerly, that is excitedly. Very hungry, very hungry, that is ravenous, that is from the para 5. Again this is also from the para 5. These are the words that have been same, matching to the same, hungry. So here children we have been completed the bit number 6. How many bits we have been completed? Bit number 6. So now we will move again. He is asking to say loudly, ante gattiga cheppandi. We have to say loudly here. So this is the bit number 6 we have been completed. So once he is asking to say aloud, ante gattiga cheppamani antunnadu. Notice how there are words with th are pronounced. Teeth, thing, think, third, fifth, faith, thousand, thief, thumb, 3. So th pronounced. How they are pronouncing the th? So ting, T-H-I-N-G, ting, th ochinda. So here th is pronounced. How they are pronouncing? So teeth, T-T-H, teeth, th. Again faith, th. Okay, next third, T-H-I-R-D, third. Again here you given the third. Thousand, ta. Again here pronouncing the thousand. Next thief, T-H-I-E-F. Again pronouncing th. So here th are how they are pronounced. They are given the here. So hot questions, hot activity. So children you only do it. No, I am moving to the grammar part. I am moving to the grammar part. So what is now will once see what is the grammar part of a page number 44, 45, 46. So here singular plurals are there. Grammar part now they are giving the singular plural. What is mean by singular plural? I will explain you first. I will go to the page numbers 44, 45, 46. So singular ante okati, plurals ante it's many of, one then more, two then more, two kanna ekkuva. So here a noun that stands for only one person of animal or things is said to be a singular. నేను చెప్పాను here only it stands only one, singular. Singular ante only one person it may be, thing it may be, place it may be. So it stands only one. So it is a singular. Next plural. So it stands one animal, one person, one animal or things is said to be. A noun stands more than one. Here oka More than one, I told for you. More than one stands, it is the plural. It may be person, animals, things. So 1 cat, 1 pen, 1 box. 3 cats, 8 pens, 2 boxes. Again, so example, singular ki I will tell you, I will write here for your example. What is meant by singular plurals? So singular ante okati. Only single thing. The plurals, it's are one or more. So singular if 1 cat, 1 man. So 1 box. So 1 toy. 1 bench. So here these are the singular. Okate 1 ante okate undi ikkada. So only 1 ante okate. So plural ante ennaina raskochu. Nenu ippudu 1 cat undi, 10 cats kuda rayochu. 10 cats, 1 pen, 8 pens, 1 box, 6 boxes, 1 toy. There is 9 toys, 1 bench, 4 benches. So these are the plurals. ఒకటి కన్నా ఎక్కువ మించినవి ప్లూరల్స్, సింగులర్స్. సో ఇక్కడ మనకు పెన్, rat, king, lion, mat. సింగులర్లో పాట్, పాట్స్, ant, ants, toy, toys, tree, trees, studio, studios he has given. So here we have to, again he given some singular plurals that we have to write. So now I will write here, okay? Pen, rat, king, he given pen. Rat, king, lion, mat. So pen means pens, rats, kings. Singular. So kings, lions, mats. So these are the singular plurals. So okati ante only singular. There are so many that are plurals. Pens, rats, kings, lions, mats. These are the plurals. So next he given here one more ESS, SS, SS, CH, OX. ES. So singular lo malli ES kuda add avutundi, SS add avutundi, next SH add avutundi, CH add avutundi. So in the nouns it is hissing sounds. At the end it is S, SS, SH, CH or X are changed into the plurals by adding ES to the singular. So ikkada again he given some ES add cheyamani cheptunnadu. So CH that ES is asking to same. Again. So glass, glass, watch, brush, fox. So here he given some glasses, dash, brushes, dash. So watch, ES add cheyamannadu ikkada. So he asking to add ES. Okay. So glasses ki ES he had added. Brushes ki ES he has been added. So watches, WATCHES, watches. Fox, foxes, FOXES. So no. So here he is asking to ES, SS we can add it. Foxes. So glasses, watches, brushes. Here they given two singular plurals. Next we are moving to noun ending with O. Mali noun ending with O's. Mango, tomato, hero, OES. Here he is asking to OES again. Mango, tomato, hero, mosquito. Dash, dash, Heroes, Heroes. Mosquitoes, Toes. So he is asking to Othoni, O it will come, Es also again it will come. So mangoes, Mangoes. Tomatoes, Tomatoes. Tomatoes. So here ears and ears, OES also added in this. So next noun ending with Y, IES. Again plural, singular plural IES as well as Y. Next we are adding in this. Baby, fly, story, Seema. Here we are seeing Y added. So in this Y is been added. This is fourth one. Babies, IES we have to add. Babies, flies, stories, duties. So here babies, flies, stories, duties. So we have to add this. So babies, baby, fly, story, duty. So here first one is babies, flies, stories. Next duties. This is IES we have to add here. In the next page, FEVES. Here they will add F. So here they are adding F. So I am giving singular, plural. They are very easy. So 1, 2, 3. Bit number 5, 6 and 7. So singulars and plural homework. This is your homework. That is page number 46. You have to do in your textbook. Ikkada F ichadu, FEVES we have to add. Leaves, wives, knives. Next ikkada changing tooth, teeth, man, men, mouse, mice, foot, feet, child, children, ox, oxen. So here this is very easy, so that you go through children. So now we have completed this lesson overall. So thank you children to listen my lesson, and you also once go through, and whatever we are giving homework, that also do children. Don't forget it, okay? Don't forget the lessons. Thank you very much children.